Welcome to Cheaters, I'm Joe Greco. Today we follow the story of Braiden Bradshaw, a man who is married to a vacuum cleaner named Rebecca. Today he tells his story of betrayal. This is Cheaters.
Well, I've been married to Rebecca for about the better part of 8 years now. She, she'd come home late, and at times I would be like, Rebecca, where have you been? And she'd just be like, get out of my face, this is not your business, bitch. And I'd get really offended, and Rebecca, like I understand there's sort of things that she won't tell me, like I have things in my life I want to tell her. Like, I think she's fucking some other vacuum cleaner.
Investigation Day 1. Rebecca and an unknown subject are seen in Braiden's driveway, getting a little hot and heavy in their car. Investigation Day 2. Rebecca and a subject now identified as Roy are seen here in front of Braiden's house, giggling and laughing. Investigation Day 3. Captured from a hidden camera in Braiden's house, Rebecca and Roy are seen fucking on Braiden's bed.
Coming up, the confrontation.
Armed with the evidence you now have, would you like to confront Rebecca and Roy and find out the truth that's been happening in your relationship?
Yeah, you know what, Joey, I do, alright, because this motherfucker has been fucking Rebecca, the woman of my dreams, and we're gonna go bust his cracker teeth in.
Alright, Braiden, they're around the corner in someone's driveway, so we're gonna go take them down.
Alright, let's go get this guy, Joey. I'm done with him. Piece of shit. Roy fucking Leroy. You motherfucker. We were friends since middle school. I just ripped your dick off. Tired of your bullshit, Roy. Motherfucker. And as for you, if you fuck with my best friend, I will cut your tits off. Well, it turns out Rebecca was a notorious whore around the neighborhood. She was fucking vacuums left and right, and to be honest, I didn't even know. I'm glad that bitch got what's coming to her, and I am glad that Rebecca is out of my life forever, and I only have Cheaters to thank for that. Thank you. I'm getting the fuck out of here now.
Cross your heart and tell a lie. Stick a needle in your eye.